Hey guys, if your Wi-Fi is missing in your laptop, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, come below at the search bar of your PC, type in network reset. Once done, you will see reset now button. Click onto it, confirm your action, and then it will reset your device, and then see if you see your Wi-Fi button. If it's still not working, then let's move on to our next step. For that, come below at the search bar, type in services. You will see services under system, open it. Once it is so, you have to locate WLAN autoconfig. Now if this is not running, right click onto it and then click on restart or start. And likewise do the same for your WWAN autoconfig as well. If this is manual, set it to automatic. Click apply and then OK. Now also if this is not running, click on start. And now it says running. So see if this fixes a problem. Another step is come below at the search bar, type in device manager and open it. In here you will see network adapters. Right click onto it, locate your Wi-Fi. Right click onto it again, update driver. Search automatically and then close. If you cannot locate your Wi-Fi adapter here, you have to right click onto your network adapters, scan for hardware changes. This shall load your Wi-Fi. Once done, close this and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you may come below at your search bar again, type in control panel. Open your control panel. In here you will see this internet options. Open it, click on advanced, and then you will see restore advanced settings. Click onto it and then click apply. And just like so guys, then you have to restart your device and this shall fix your problem.